How to set stop loss on trading 212. Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can set a stop loss on trading 212. So without any further ado or delay, let us get started with today's video. To set a stop loss order on trading 212, you will first need to select the stock or instrument you want to trade. So you can go to their platform and go to the buy icon as just select the stock or the instrument that you want to trade. Then choose the sell option. Next, select stop limit as your order type. Specify the number of shares you want to sell and set your stop price, which should be below the current market price to act as a loss limiting mechanism. You may also need to set a limit price, which is the minimum price you're willing to sell at. Finally, you can review and confirm your order. And hence in this way you'll be able to set stop loss on trading 212. Hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.